Okay, good morning, class. So in our first week, we have different lessons that we are going to discuss. So in this lesson or in this first week, we expected to illustrate well-defined sets, subsets, universal set, null set, union and intersection of sets, and at the same time difference of two sets. Okay, so let's start first with a pre-activity. Okay, so can you group the following objects as you see and then label each group? Okay, so you can see there different object or pictures. Okay, so we have here 12 pictures. Okay, can you group these 12 pictures? Okay, and then after that, we're going to answer the following questions. How many groups are there? Does each object belong to a group? And is there any object that belongs to more than one group? Which one? Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, how many groups can you see in these 12 objects? So as we can see, there are four groups in these objects, in the following objects. First group is the group of hats or covering, head covering. Okay, so as you can see, how many hats or head covering are there? So there are three. Okay. And then there is group of numbers. So what are those numbers are there? We have 4, 12, and 2. Okay. So another groups are the group of threes. Okay. And how about what is the last group? Okay. So you can see here, okay, some may say that it is a group of shapes. Some might say group of polygons. But what do we call these objects? We call this as polyhedrons. Okay, so four groups in our given activity. So let's answer now. How many groups are there? So there are four. Second question. Does each belong to a group? Your answer is yes or no only. So our answer there is yes. Is there an object that belongs to more than one group? Is there any object that belongs to more than one group? Hmm? Yes or no? No. Oh, correct. Okay, so which one? Okay, so this morning our topic is all about sets. But the question, what is a set or sets? Okay, so let's define now. A set is a well-defined group of objects called elements that share a common characteristics. Okay, so what are those examples of sets? We have set of colors, set of students whose surname start with a vowel, okay, set of numbers, set of bugs, set of animals with four legs. Okay, so those are examples of sets. Okay, so you might think what sets, okay, can you give? Okay, so our first activity or exercise that we're going to do is you're going to give 5 examples of well-defined sets. Okay, so you will write this in your notebook if you have notebook or paper. So you can write down 5 examples. I will give you 5 minutes to answer that. Okay, you can stop this video and then answer. Okay, are you done? Okay, so what are those examples of sets that you have written in your notebook or paper. Okay, some might say group of colors or set of colors, set of animals, set of ball pen, set of bat, set of plates, and others. Okay, so those are just okay, some of those um, examples of sets. Okay, so let's proceed to our next topic, which is elements. Do you know what is elements? Okay, by definition, when I say elements, it is the object or members in a set. Okay, for example, set of positive number. Okay, so we have their set P or positive numbers. So what are those examples of elements? Those are inside of the two brace. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are set of or elements of positive numbers. So the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called the elements. Set of animals with two legs. Okay, chicken, duck, turkey, dog. So what are those elements? So chicken, duck, turkey, and dog. So it's all about elements. Now, next topic, let's talk about subset. So what is a subset? Okay, so let's define now. So when I say subset, it is a part of a larger group or set. It is also a set of which all the elements are contained in another set. Okay, so let's have example number 1. Subsets of whole numbers. Okay, so whole numbers, set W. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Okay, when we say whole numbers, that is start with 0 until the infinite numbers. So there are two subsets of whole numbers. We have the E. E stands for even numbers. So example 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And well, set O or set of odd numbers, so we have 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so we can conclude that E or even numbers are a subset of whole numbers. Because you can see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in the elements of whole numbers. Well, the second, so even numbers are subset of whole numbers. Another is the O is subset of W, or odd numbers is subset of whole numbers. Okay, so odd numbers are subsets of whole numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are numbers we see in the elements of whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, another example. Okay, so colors in the rainbow. Do you know what are the different colors in the rainbow? How many colors are there? We said there are 7. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Like for example, set X. So we have red, orange, yellow, and green. Well, set Y, yellow, blue, indigo, and violet. Say red, blue, black, green, and yellow. Okay. So what can you say about this? Okay, we can conclude that X is a subset of R because X, okay, all the elements of X are can be seen in the rainbow. And another, Y is a subset of R because Y, all the elements of Y can be seen in the elements of R, set R. But how about Z? Okay, is it a subset of R? No, it's not. Z is not a subset of R. Why? Okay, it is only a proper subset. So what do you mean by proper subset? Okay, you can see the elements, some of the elements, but not all the elements. Okay, so Z is only a proper subset of R. Okay, so let's have now an exercise. Okay, can you tell whether the following is a subset or a proper subset. Okay, let's tell whether the following subset or proper subset. So we have here set of positive numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, set n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 to 20. So set A. So we have here 5 small sets. Set A, set B, set C, set D, set E. Okay, so set A has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set B, 5, 10, 15, 20. Set C, okay, 20, 30, 40, 50. Set D, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 8. Okay, and set E, 7, 14, 21, 28, 25. Now, I'll give you 5 seconds to answer this. So what we're going to do is you're going to tell whether this, okay, these sets, small sets, compare, if this small set is a subset or a proper subset of n. Okay, so we have here 5 items. Okay, so I'll give you 3 to 5 minutes to answer this. Okay, you can stop the video and then answer for a while. Okay, are you done? Okay, so let's answer now number 1. So what is your answer for number 1? Okay, exactly. So it is a subset. How about number 2? What is your answer in number 2? It is a proper subset. Correct. Number 3 is also a subset. Number 4, subset. And last one, it is a proper subset. Who got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Okay. I think most of you get a high score. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is it. So our next topic will be universal set. Okay, but this is just okay. Let's stop for a while because we will discuss this by tomorrow. Okay, so please answer the activity sheets that is written or in your modules. Okay, and then I will just get that by Friday. Okay, all the activities that you're going to answer. Okay, so that's all for today. So see you, or should I say, see you tomorrow in this video. Bye.